Noob burps in class and gets grounded. Okay class, today we're learning about history of traffic. History of traffic can be more miles of the road. Let's start with 1890s. Noob, was that you who just burped?
No, okay, I burped.
That's it, go to the principal's office now.
So Noob, why are you here?
I was burping in class.
Noob, how dare you burp in class and now at me? That's it, you're expelled for 50 weeks, go home now.
Noob, how dare you burp in class, and at the principal? Oh, Noob, how freaking dare you burping at me now? That's freaking it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for 100 weeks. Go to your room right now, and you never ever come out until I tell your mother about this when she gets home.